going on, Pepe community? We're taking a look this morning at the cryptobubbles.net website. We'll also jump into the Pepe chart. That would be ticker symbol PEPE. Guys, Pepe is up 64.6% in the last week, 7% in the last month. It's down 2.6 today, and in the last hour, 0.6%. Once again, cryptobubbles.net, pretty cool website, gives you a visual of the cryptocurrency markets and what's going on in the last hour, day, week, month, and or year. Guys, let's jump into the charts here for Pepe. Welcome to the channel, by the way. Appreciate all of the new subscribers. 2,272, I think, is the exact number as of this morning anyways. Appreciate you guys. If you're a new subscriber, go ahead and introduce yourself down in the comments. Guys, Pepe has moved a lot in the past couple of days. 80+% in the last couple days, according to this chart. We are pulling back here. Things so far are organized. We don't have a complete and utter pump and dump, although it could happen. Keep that in mind. Bitcoin is holding up well. I think that is actually, the Bitcoin chart looks similar to this chart. In the past couple days, tight trading, sideways action, potentially ready for the next leg higher here. So I have it was nice to see Pepe find support here around the 96, 96560 level. Nice higher low came in right here on the 20th, and then boom, had that nice pullback. As you'll see when the markets basically pulled back, a rounding bottom here, came up, pulled back, didn't undercut these lows. We talked about this in many other videos in the past. And when we print that higher low, the move to follow, which will be a higher high and usually a pretty big bull leg up, can be strong and brutal to the bears. And that's what happened here. So it was nice to see that. Markets repeat certain things over and over again across the board, both in cryptocurrency and or in the stock market. So assuming this holds, and we have another higher low here. So far we have a lower high, higher low, higher high. Question is, will this be another higher low somewhere in here? Time will tell. Let's go with the bullish scenario. Let's say this is going to be a higher low one of these days. Maybe it's today, the 26th of June. The next move to follow would be something like this. So I have a target up there, and it also matches with the Fibonacci level, and we'll talk about that in just a moment. That would be the 240857. So 240857 level. That is this yellow line on my chart. Now I also have another one down there at 213900 right here. 213900, as well as 187,177, 187,177, 857, guys. If we throw the fibs up here, roughly take the high of that move. That is not the fibs. Let's try that again. High of that move would take roughly the swing low, give or take, right about there. Let's see here. Where are we at here? So the 0.618, excuse me. So we have based on this move, we have resistance. It's actually trying to find support there. The price is basically below it right now, which is the 382 right here. You can see the price pulled up to the 382. We have the 0.5 right here, and then the one we're talking about today is the 240857, which is the 0.618 fib. It's very close to my level right here. So I think that is a very important level to keep an eye on, assuming this price does break higher, and this is a higher low. So that's the 0.618 up there, give or take the 230 to 240 range for Casper. Pepe. I just did a Casper video. So let's say we get up to there. What would that look like on a percentage basis? Let's say the price, has found its bottom and it's going to move higher. Well, if it moved directly up from where it's at today to there, to that 2.4 area, it would be roughly like a 50 or so, 55% move higher, which is pretty incredible. If we hit our target number, I'll call it number 2, that's a 35% move, and we make it up to the 0.5 fib, that would be another 20% higher. So far, this thing has been breaking out and holding very well. We'll have to obviously see what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin starts to sell off and start to trade back below that 30K range, I don't see something like this, especially a meme coin, outperforming the market. But Bitcoin starts to rally, and so far it's holding 30K nice. This thing could easily get some fire underneath of it and start to rally. And like I said, I think that level, that it's important with the fibs and then my level as well. That's a 54, 55, give or take, percent move higher from where it's at now. So that is a massive move. And I think that is an important area. We have these two candles over here. So we have the 6th of May and the 7th of May. Both of those candle wicks correlate and line up perfectly with the 24.0857. So I think that would be a pretty decent area for the price to get to, potentially find some resistance. Maybe we see a consolidation again before ultimately taking out.